guys, welcome back to another video of Outdoors Bros today. So we're back out on the boat today. Well, sorry we didn't record the last two times. Yes, well, the last time it was Tuesday we went out and we caught tons of mackerel and like pollock, a few cod. We put everything back except for the mackerel and some little pollock, so that we use for bait. We didn't catch anything other than that, unfortunately, even though we were going for stripers. But we're back out at it today. So we're back in the cove where I caught the striper the first time out, and it's called Pebble Cove or Spruce Creek, Crockett Neck, and it's really cool here. We've caught mini fish, 6 now here. So we're just trolling with one line. Pierce is popping with that, and I'm about to start popping again. Alright, so I'm just gonna grab my rod and put you guys in my life jacket mount again. How's that? Alright, so here we go. I don't know if we're gonna catch one. I don't know if we are. So hope for the best, guys. Okay, I casted over one of the other lines. Let me reel this in because we turned and I didn't see that coming. So let me reel this in more so then I can get a good cast. There. All right. Going to my popper. In the front, my mom is learning how to tie some knots. All right. No fish on the radar right now. I completely blank. So I'm gonna get back to you guys when there's more epic content. See ya. Yeah, because they aren't jumping up anymore.
You only had one fortunate one chasing you.
No. I got another good lure on, and let's get to it again. Back on the bow. Big school, okay? Okay? I think I'm gonna get one on this. Oh gosh. Bound to get one, guys. Bound. There must be these. Yeah, just keep coming. Off the bow or stern?
Both. Yeah, there's more than 100 fish.
Yeah, and I see even more birds diving. Oh, there's a fish. I saw a fish jump right in front of that sailboat, guys. Right in, like, see that little buoy? It was right in front of that. Maybe 2 feet. All right, come on, come on. If you ever come to Maine or like New England, go striper fishing if you're into fishing. I recommend it. It's awesome. And there's tons of people watching us, frick. I'm scared. Oh, come on. Another cast, another day. Oh my God. Come on, fish! Fish! Eat your teammates. Eat your fellow friends. It's no biggie, you'll just get sued. be put in fish jail. Yeah, fish jail. If there's such a thing in fish life. Come on, just come on. I want a 50-pound striper. Probably never gonna catch that one that big in my life. But whatever. Hope for the best. Might as well. 20 minutes already. All right, I'm gonna get back to you guys when there's more awesome content or when we have a fish. See. All right, so we just got to our third spot and I just got the GoPro and Pierce put some chunk mackerel onto the big rod and in hope of getting some stripers off the bottom or whatever. So ooey gooey gooey. Flying mackerel. Holy mackerel, literally. I'm gonna leave that there. So you don't see much on the radar, but it'll do. So and then I'm gonna be popping and yeah. But we lost one of our tackle boxes. The blue one, which is very sad because it had like a lot of stuff in it that we could have used.
Well, what we'll do is we'll put a note down there with my phone number on it.
Okay, so we were fishing last night and we thought we'd bring it. Okay.
Got a blip.
We had thought we'd bring it home, but guess not. Hopefully we get something today.
So you just let them know you just fishing with poppers.
Yeah, we're using like poppers, trolling, some like swim baits, using some chunk bait and stuff. Yeah, all the good stuff. Let me try switching lures to a swim bait. Oh, I can see bottom.
Yeah.
That's a lobster pot too. Woo! Whoa! Whoa, that's cool.
Tons of fish, tons of
Yeah,
fish.
right now.
Holy frick. Oh, sorry, I swore, guys. There's just tons of fish. Alright, let me put on something that'll dive. At least we didn't lose our tackle box that had mostly every single lure we own. I'm gonna put this on. Come on, faster now. There we go, it's on. We're going backwards, yeah. Cast very correctly waved, super correctly. Okay. No hits. Unfortunately. Oh my god. Boom, boom. Right, come on, fish. Eat your family. Did you just say eat your family, Pierce?
No.
I think I might have said that. I think I said eat your family about the fish. I want fish to eat family because my lure is their family.
Friends are food.
Friends are food. I'm gonna try to snag that log.
Exactly.
Oh, inches. There. Alright. Gonna cast back over there. Big boom boom. Big boom boom cast.
Over there, over seagulls. Over there.
Holy crap!
Well, no, that's because they're on the.
Oh, fish. Head stop.
Their turns. Come on, fish. Fish, fish. Hopefully you bite my lure. Oh. I'm handsome? Fascinating. Oh, thanks, Pierce, for the fugly advice. Yup, we made that word up. Fugly, 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 fuggy, fuggy. Fuggy.
Fuggy?
Yeah, fuggy.
Yeah, there are diamonds in this patio.
Yep, there's lots of birds. There's birds, boys and girls.
Up over there,
Yeah.
guess what?
There has to be scary way. It should go slow.
Hopefully we get one. I'm feeling lucky today, guys. I'm feeling lucky. Did you just say I'm feeling Chucky? So you're like touching him? Wouldn't he like already stabbed you?
Yeah, probably.
No more Chucky talk. Don't watch a movie. I haven't, but I'd rather not. It's like it's scary. It seems scary. Child's play. Like, so what do you think of when you hear child's play in like a horror movie? I commentate a lot, I guess.
I get, guys, as you get closer, I get up in the bow. How are you?
Okay.
I mean, that's been going on for a couple minutes there.
All the birds are
Bird.
Bird. Amateur.
Pierce is just like, I'm getting up very easily. Me be like, I'm gonna break my pants.
Side. You can't take the whole thing, guys.
Pierce, yeah, Pierce, can you move over to one side?
You can take the side.
Yeah. Very awkwardly.
I saw a spider right. Yeah.
Where?
Right up in
Over
front.
there. In front.
Oh my God.
The bale flipped on me.
Wait till we get there. Pass off to the side.
Yeah, they're everywhere, guys. Look. I got seaweed. Or was this a fish? I think it was just seaweed. Yeah. Big patch of seaweedio. Seaweedio. Seaweedio.
You don't want that to go into the end.
Yeah, on the way here I had to. Holy, that's crazy. That's crazy.
Oh, good. So he spawned in neutral.
They're back, they're back. Hit a bird! Pierce, cast now. Come on, fish. Fishy, 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 fishy. Cormorants, Dad.
Right there. Don't poke anybody.
He almost saw. Oh, I saw a striper. I saw stripers. I saw them.
Oh, here come more.
Oh, there was a rise. There was a rise.
More.
Right there, right there. I need a popper. I need a popper.
Lure.
I need a popper. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Why can't I get this? We're gonna catch a striper, guys. Let's do this.
More fish.
Of course. Oh,
We're in 5 feet of water. Go for it, Ned. Right that. Cast back.
yeah, I saw the stripers come up. Right there. I'm gonna do a slow pop in hope of a fish. Come on, you got this. Come on. Come on, Ned. Just catch a fish. Doesn't sound too hard, ain't it? It's actually quite hard. Whoa. Come on. Come on, fish.
Oh my God.
Holy frick. Oh, there's one. I just saw one. I saw one on the bottom.
I put this sucker there as a piece of meat on it.
Oh my gosh, that was huge. That was huge. Guys, we are in luck here. Feeding frenzy. Oh!
Got one.
No!
Going for it.
Nick, keep popping it.
No! I had 2 hits. Oh, it went for it again.
I'm pulling this in. Keep going.
Oh my gosh, guys. You do not know how fast my heart is beating right now. You'd think I'd have a heart attack.
5 feet down.
Yeah, I'm gonna chunk it.
Cast right at it.
You want me to turn this thing in?
Yes. Oh my gosh, I had 2 hits.
No, that thing's just gonna get gobbled up.
Oh. Yeah, something's just gonna come up and smash. Oh, I think no, that wasn't a fish. Oh my gosh, guys. Guys, was that a fish that just had...
Right over there. Cast right in there.
Did you see it?
Cast right in there. Oh my God. Hot.
Yeah, there's a lot.
And they keep coming. And they're coming. More.
I shouldn't stand on the way back.
Going back to where you read that first time.
Yeah. Most of the time when you're fishing with poppers for stripers, what they do is they miss it. They just keep on consecutively hitting it until they got it. They are such ambitious predators. They will do anything for a meal. And this is a perfect time. I know.
Oh my God.
Net.
I know. There's fish, I know. Dad, you gotta get a rod out there. I'm right out on the bow of a boat right now. I bet I'm gonna fall in, honestly.
Throw that bad boy right out there again.
Come on, fish. Come at this again. Come on. It's a struggle catching stripers, honestly. Well, for us at least, because we only really use lures. More?
Yeah, more.
Oh, they're all at 5 feet pierced because
Fine. And they're at 5 feet, like literally.
yeah, because it's like 5 feet deep here. Come on. Dad or Mom, get out of the rod.
Yeah,
Yeah, no, dip. Sherlock. Sorry. Yeah, Pierce almost just hooked me. Scary. Scary, spooky, scary skeletons. I got 2. Alright, Dad, yeah, I was gonna say that. Alright, so my dad's just getting out of swim bait right now. Come on. Honestly, I'm gonna fall off the bow of the boat right now, guys. But it's worth it. Mom, neutral is you put the throttle all the way back and then double hit it. All right. Big cast, big cast. Come on. Guys, pray for us, pray. Come on. Of course there's more. There has to be. There's more. Oh my God. Ah. All right, I'm excited, if you can't tell, guys. Wait, we're leaving this spot? Oh. In the seaweed. Out the seaweed. In the seaweed still. Out the seaweed now.
Only more. Couple of them, like 3 or 4.
Of course there's more, Pierce. They're fish. It'd be nice fishing off of the bank too. Like,
Try a different lure, Ned.
okay.
If you're not getting any strikes with that lure, try another lure.
What lure do you think?
I try one that goes down. Try the one that.
Oh,
You know, just try one that'll go down a little bit more.
I got it. So we're back at another spot. We had no luck at the other. We went to another spot after the one where we saw lots of stuff, but we didn't catch anything. And then we went to another spot, caught nothing. And now we're at the next spot, like the 6th spot, basically. So, yeah, we're seeing birds dive. I was about to say, we're seeing birds jumping and fish diving. So hopefully we'll get something, like I always say, but it doesn't always happen. All right, but right now I'm using this. Oh my gosh. So right now I'm just using this. It's got a lure right here. Ooh, oh, the birds are flying in. Dad, can you turn down Pandora real quick, Dad? Oh my gosh, that's a lot of birds. That's a lot of birds. Holy, I can't see the sun. No, I'm good. I just wanna. I know there's fish everywhere, but they're not in my butt. They aren't in my butt, so they're not everywhere. That was weird. I'm weird. So, we're all weird. I caught seaweed! What you gonna call that? Best catch ever, guys and girls and people. Yeah, let's just say people. Oh wait, no offense to animals who are watching this. No offense to all you animals watching this. Holy. Mom, can you open up that door over there? Okay, I'm switching lures. All right, can you hold that real quick? All right, so right now I'm gonna put on a bucktail because they're all down deep right now, and hopefully they'll pick this up because it's like 7 o'clock right now on Thursday. Oh gosh, we're leaving in 5, guys. We're gonna have to end the video off very soon. Oh my gosh, how did I drop that when I was bringing it back? That was sad. All right, so cast number uno on bucktail. Oh, tons of fish, tons. Look at all those chickens. Look at all those chickens. Chickens, 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 say it. Chickens, chickens. I'm weird. Thank you very much. Oh, you're welcome.
All right, guys, we're gonna have to go.
Okay, let me just.
Get everything tied down.
Oh gosh, we're gonna have to go, guys. So I'm gonna have to end off the video. It is a pretty long video. Sorry about how long our videos are, guys. We aren't that good at editors, and we just film a lot. Mr. Beast has like 13-minute videos for filming for like 2 days.
Okay, lures off, put away.
So you guys could really actually consider us trash. I know I'm editing. I'm not editing. I'm reeling it in.
All right, so we need lures off and put away.
Can I just drop this down? Dad, can I just drop this once more?
No.
Okay.
7 o'clock.
It's 7 o'clock? What the hell is it 7 o'clock? What time did we leave?
3:40.
3:40? What?
We got down to the dock around 4:30.
Yeah, we lost the tackle box. Tackle box, tackle box, tackle box, tackle box. Alright, you guys get the vibe that we lost the tackle box, or do you want me to say it more? Okay, I'm gonna say it more. We lost the tackle box, ba-na-na-na.
Let's get things nailed
Alright, Mom,
down.
here.
We gotta roll.
We lost a tackle box, ba-na-da.
Everything put away and tucked in.
I think I'm gonna do the outro.
Net laying down on the ground over here. Here.
I think I'm gonna sign out for today, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the post notifications for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.